Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a few essentials so the fix works. Charge the Apple Watch above 50% and keep your iPhone near because Bluetooth connections matter. Once done, make sure both devices run the latest software. Updates patch bugs that break activity tracking. Now force close the fitness app on the watch, then on iPhone. This clears transient faults. After that, restart first the watch, then the iPhone, so system services reinitialize cleanly, and you can move to deeper checks. Once the devices are restarted, you run diagnostics inside settings so data flows correctly. Open iPhone settings privacy motion and fitness and enable fitness tracking. Make sure Health app shares activity data with the watch. Next, verify location services for the fitness app are set to while using. GPS issues can distort workouts. If heart rate or steps remain wrong, unpair and repair the watch. This rebuilds the sensor database. Do that only after ordinary resets fail. You finish by validating the repair with a short workout. Start an outdoor walk or indoor run and confirm GPS, heart rate, and calories update in real time. If readings are still off, reset network settings on the iPhone, then reset the watch's settings. If needed, erase and restore from backup to clear persistent firmware glitches. And if that does not solve it, contact Apple support. Provide the diagnostics you collected so technicians can pinpoint sensor or software faults and speed up a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.